slide. Okay, come on. Okay, good. Yes, and for today, we will continue the lesson number 10, right? Yeah, the plans of realization. Yep. Last week, we talked about uh, Sariputta, yes, lovely athlete, right? And the power and the ground of self-confidence, right? Remember that? หลวงพี่นพ Yes, we talk about it. Okay, and for today, yeah, I will talk about the manifestation of great life. Yeah, okay. The wisdom that I will share with you today, yeah, come from in the Buddha word. Yeah, and anthology and discourse from the Bali Canon edited and introduced by Bhikkhu Poti, right? Remember that? In the Thai Pitaka Buddhist scriptures. Yes, the correction discourse of the Buddha. Yes, from the Bali Canon in Prasut Sutta in Sabjutta Nikaya. Yes, we learned in the last lesson, number 10, the plans of realization right now. And okay, for today, the manifestation of the great bright light. Okay, are you ready? Follow me. The photo PowerPoint. Okay, yes, good. Let's see. Follow me. Yep. Yes. Monk. Yes. Monks. So long as the sun and the moon have not arisen in the world. For just so long there is no manifestation of great light and radiance. Yes. In the universal, in the universe, each on of space and time as their content, including planets, stars, galaxies, and all other forms of matter and energy, right? The Big Bang theory is the powering cosmological description of the development of the universe. According to the estimation of this theory, space and time emerged together more 30 billion years ago. And the universe has been expanded ever since. Okay. Yes, follow me. Yeah. But then the blinding darkness powers. A dense mass of darkness for just so long day and night are not discerned. The month and fortnight are not discerned. The season and the year are not discerned. Yes, discerned. What do you think about this? Okay. Next. Yes. But months when the sun and moon arise in the world, then there is the manifestation of great light and radiance. You understood? I think it's the human being, life of all being. It is difficult to live. Human being, life of human being is difficult. Yes, and yes, listening the Buddha Dhamma, it is difficult. also, right? Yeah, okay, I follow you. Yes, next. Then there is no brightening darkness, no dense mass of darkness. Then day and night are discerned. The month and fortnight are discerned. The seasons and year are discerned. Mhm. You understood? Uh, Listening the Buddha, the Dhamma, it is a difficult thing. The emergence of the Buddha is difficult. Yes, yes. The emergence of the Buddha is difficult. Yes. Okay, follow me. So, too, monks, so long as a Tathagata has not arisen in the world, an Arhat, a perfectly enlightened one, for just so long there is no manifestation of great light and radiant. Yeah. Mhm. Yes. Okay. But then brightening darkness, powers and dense mass of darkness. For just so long there is no explaining, teaching, proclaiming, establishing, disclosing, analyzing, or elucidated of the fourth noble truth. Mhm. Fourth noble truth, remember that? The first noble truth. The first one, the truth of suffering, dukkha. Yes, the truth of the origin of suffering, samudaya. The truth of cessation of suffering, nirodha. And the last one, now from the first noble truth, the truth of the path to cessation of suffering, Makkha. Yeah, remember that? Okay. And but monks, when a Tathagata arises in the world, an Arahat and a perfectly enlightened one, then there is the manifestation of the great light and radiant. Yes, I would like to expand about this. The people also search for Tathagata arise in the world is hard to find. Yes, hard to find it. Yes, and the Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha. Yes, people also search for Tathagata arise in the world is hard to know. Yes, you have to know about the Dhamma. You ever never to heard about the Dhamma before, right? People also search for Tathagata arise in the world is hard to study. Yes, yeah, it's about this. People also search for uh, Tathagata arise in the world is hard for you. Okay, if you agree with me, you can put in the comment number 3. Yes, share to inner peace friend around the world in this room. Okay, let's see. Yeah, Makwana, thank you. Okay, follow me. Look at this. Yeah, then no breaking darkness, powers, no dense mass of darkness. Then there is the expanding, teaching, proclaiming, establishing, disclosing, analyzing, and elucidating of the fourth noble truth. Yes, it's the Arya Sat, right? I have a serious question on this root. defilement. Okay, I am trying to simplify them to my mind. So how do these three sound as the drama definition? Okay, greed, right? Remember that is caused by ignorance of the value of things and self. Yes, non-self, non-self, no self, and hatred or aversion is caused by ignorance of value of author and self. Yeah. And the last one, delusion. Yes, it caused by ignorance of the nature of self. Yeah. The Buddha said, because there are these three unwholesome roots. What trees? The unwholesome root, greed, hatred, and delusion. Yes, in the Sutta in Anguttara Nikaya, greed, hatred, and delusion are the three unwholesome roots. Greed is talking about inordinate desire, right? Hatred includes all levels of aversion. And the last one, delusion, includes confusion and bewilderment. These three cause of all our suffering and frustration. Yeah. They are the roots of the tree of dukkha, right? Which means satisfactoriness. In it includes pain, trouble, frustration, stress, and suffering, right? Dukkha. Yes. Okay. And this is the Samyutta Nikaya in the Sutta 5638. Okay, that is for today.